divide the toolpath into many segments depending on the cutting time. It may be because of the tool life. For hard materials like Inconel and titanium, it will not run 2 or 5 minutes continuously. So in that scenario, we need to divide this toolpath into several segments. So to divide this particular toolpath, I need to go for right click toolpath. Here option comes divide. When you see here toolpath divide methods, there are three methods. One by one we are going to see. First we are going to see with the help of cutting time. Suppose if your tool life is 30 minutes, then what you need to do, you need to give here some safer value like 28 minutes. This toolpath will be divided with respect to the 28 minutes, and the tolerance we kept as 2%. You can increase the tolerance or decrease the tolerance. It's in terms of percentage. Here I will give 1% of the tolerance. Sometime my toolpath will come 28 or 1% exceed or lesser than that. That is nothing but a tolerance percentage. Usually many people keep 2%. If you want, you can keep 5%, so that whenever it feels safe within that time, then that motion will be taken. Hit OK. You may observe this operation is divided into 5 segments totally. First one is having 28 minutes, second one 27 minutes, 27 minutes, 27 minutes, and the residual is 14 minutes. Suppose, as you know, when tool length increases, our feed rate reduces. It's indirectly proportional. For example, if I wanted to do this division 2, particularly I want to see how much tool length is required to machine this much region, then go for report shortest tool. It will give you appropriate tool length which is required for machining this much area. You can see the tool length is 50 mm. Unnecessary we have taken bigger length. In that scenario, what you need to do, you go and create multiple tools with multiple length. Here the tool length is 150. I will make this as up to 60, and flute length I will give it as 50, and I will say OK. Now you may see here, whenever I change here the existing tool itself, here it is getting this symbol indicates you need to regenerate, and always be sure, like whatever the tool length you have taken, that you should not edit tool length or anything. Then it will ask for regenerate. Suppose if I do regenerate, what happens? Let us see. Whenever we try to regenerate, then whatever we did this division, that will be gone. Here you may observe, once we have regenerated, the division which we did, that is removed or revoked, and it came as same as that of initial phase. So before generating this, we need to adjust the tool length here first. Tool length 60 and flute length 50 I have given here. So similarly, I will rename this length 60 and T1 I will keep as it is. Oh, this I will remove, as already I have done the 61. The second tool I will take longer tool. Only two tools I will use for this operation. Here just I will cross check whether the tool length is there or not. Yes, the tool length is 120. The T3 Yeah, everything goes okay. Only to rename this L60 I need to remove so that the identification is accurate. Again, if you want, go for a division. If you want to go for multiple tool lengths, then initially you need to keep those tool lengths ready. Now again divisions came here, and as we know, this toolpath shortest distance is, it is 31.1 mm. So this division 3 will check toolpath shortest tool. Otherwise, here where there is one column you can add as a shortest tool, then you can check here in a column you can add shortest tool. It might be there, you can drag it. It will show you the shortest tool. You can configure this column by right clicking column configuration. You can change whichever you want nearer to this, that you can take. Right now I'm interested in time, so I'm taking a little bit above. Next I am interested in length. I will take it near to that time. And the third one I am interested in shortest tool length. Here, select this, go for the above column. Where it is? Yeah. Again I need to move a little bit upward direction. Okay. Now you may observe here, whichever the shortest tool I have calculated from the software, it is showing. Right now it is not showing, means what we need to do? Once again we need to check the shortest tool. Go for report shortest tool. It's a 50 mm. Now for the first one it is showing 94 mm. It is showing the value which is before divide. So once again we need to do toolpath report shortest tool. It's indirectly suggesting like total 94.5 mm is needed. Here it is showing 13.6. Then you can, depending on this tool length, what you can do, you can check like it is within 60. This operation is okay up to this division. After that we need to move to the other tool length. What we need to do, select these and drag and paste inside this. Otherwise right click, cut and paste inside. Now it is not asking regenerate. Like this you need to change to length, so you can give appropriate feed for those particular operation. If you want to try to edit this one, you can see here also you can change the tool length, whether you want the 61 or 121. Like this you can change these tools. We have seen division of the toolpath with respect to the time. Sometimes you need division of the operation with respect to the time, cutting length. Sorry, already we have seen time, so we are going to see cutting length. Now after division, this rest milling, again it is asking me to regenerate. Generate. It has regenerated. Now I am interested in only cutting moves. In this geometric view, columns are not showing. As we have seen here, it is showing the length and other thing. We have rearranged. Sometime if the column is not showing, again, you know, as we did in this machine tool view, right click here, go to the column configuration, configure columns and toggle on the length. Say okay. It is get added. Now I wanted to divide. As I'm turning off this non-cutting moves, that is removed, only cutting moves are showing. This particular operation consists of length cutting 108649. Non-cutting moves total, you can see we are interested in cutting moves. It is 108649. I will divide this two length with respect to 40,000 mm cutting length. Right click, toolpath, divide. Here I will select, instead of cutting time method, cutting distance method I will take. Here I will mention 40,000. Okay, you can observe that particular operation is divided into three segments. First segment, second segment, this is third segment. Here also you can change tool length, similar to the previous operation which we did. The third method of divide is like dividing with by selecting the region. This I have generated toolpath which is having 31.39 minutes. Sometime I wanted to split this particular operation into two segments. Up to this, here one I want and other thing I want. In that scenario, we need to right click, toolpath, divide. We need to select the cutting method, select a motion. You can select the segment from the UI, from the path, and then say okay. You can see here two segments are done. If you don't want this, go to the undo or regenerate. Toolpath, divide. So here I will take select motion method. So up to this. You may observe here. Non-cutting moves, you can see the approach and other thing is safer. Not to worry about that. It is coming in arc. It's okay. Like this, you need to divide the toolpath to maintain the cutting time, cutting length, and the motion. Thank you.